What is going on, guys? It's Monster Jam Wilkins here, back with another video. And today, it isn't a vlog or anything. It's another unboxing video. And let's look at a new house. Finally got out of that apartment, and there you have it, all new for 2019. Comment down below if what do you think it is. Never mind. Don't comment down below what it is, because you already know. It's Spin Master. Yeah! And I'm going to be unboxing this. So, comment down below what you think about this truck. So, let's get into it. Oh! Okay. Alrighty. Oh, before we get into unboxing, it's official licensed product. It's authentic, got that transparent going on, and the Monster Jam trim metal, working suspension, low die cast, authentic detailing, bigger engine. Show that later. Majesty, of course, Spin Master, and it's got the white BKT printing. And of course, it's got the other trucks. I have seen on Google that this right here, I seen on Google that more Spin Master trucks like this, the 124 scale ones. And you got Megalodon, Gravedigger, and Pirate's Curse. This one, Max D and Pirate's Curse, is in my Walmart, but not these two. Yeah. Of course, it says authentic Monster Jam trim metal and 124 scale. Maybe no, I'm gonna show that because I don't know why. I'm dumb apparently. So there you have it right here. It says all new for 2019. And let's get into it. And yes, I have opened it before. I have played with it. So here's the box itself. And there's the monster truck. Sorry for fingering the camera. And there you go. This is like a arena based picture for like a Monster Jam. Don't know what kind it is. I think that's just like made up event. There you go. And no, these do not come with a poster or a driver, because they're 164, 120. They're not 124 scale ones. So this is kind of difficult when you have it. There you go. There it is. Out of the box. The 124 scale Spin Master Monster Jam truck. You say monster truck. And see, no poster, no dirt like that, like the other girl ones, like Hot Wheels. And there you go. See the white BKT printing right here. Oops. And right here and right here. And officially has headers now. Spin Master stepped it up a lot. And I don't know if you could see this, but right there's the engine, and there. And it's got the headers, of course. Both sides. Here's another one. And it doesn't come with it doesn't come in a driver. I don't know if you can see it. The glare of the light. But there's no driver in the seat. Yeah. I don't know why I'm doing this, but there is no driver. Inside the 124 scale ones, and it does have working suspension, but barely. It does have working suspension. I can't do it right now since I'm on a carpet. Let's try to test it over here. Oh gosh. Yes, it does. And I recommend Spin Master doing a 124 scale Double Down Showdown trucks. That would be cool. And customized and breakable like truck 164 scale ones. That would be awesome. And there you have it. Of course, it doesn't have the light bar or the little headlights. And it's not black. There you go. And there's the maximum destruction. And they finally have it where this part, where this end piece right here, pieces are like sticking out instead of the Hot Wheels version. It's like on there, and it's actually pretty nice to see. And as you can tell, they don't have it. They corrected it to right here, and you can actually feel the tail lights because they're like up. And then there you go. There you have it. Don't forget to comment down below what you think about this, and subscribe and like. See you guys. This is Monster Jim Wilkins signing out.